So if you don't know yet, that man was Kanye West. And today we're going to talk about Through the Wire and the sample that changed hip-hop forever. Starting with part 1, Through the Fire, the sample. So I actually went ahead and recreated Through the Wire, and the way Kanye uses his sample is actually very clever. And it's actually not really that complicated, but just the way he uses it is really smart. So probably, as you already know, Kanye sampled this song called Through the Fire by Chaka Khan, and he actually sampled this beat at the end right here. And to be honest, it's actually a pretty long beat because we sample like maybe 16 bars or even longer here. So it starts right around here. So we're actually gonna go ahead and use this like bigger part of the sample for both the intro and the chorus of the song. So we're pretty much just gonna end up with this like 12 bar long chop here. I actually went ahead and fully chopped up the sample. This first part here, the red part, that's both the intro and the chorus. And then we have this section right here where we have a few more chops. That's basically the verse. And so one really smart thing that Kanye did is that for his chorus, he's basically using a higher energy sample, which basically he's using this one big chop where Chaka Khan is singing all the time. And here for this verse, he's using like lower energy parts of the sample where basically Chaka Khan isn't singing at all. We just have the instrumental of it. So it literally just sounds like this. But we're actually gonna get back to this part in a bit because this part right here caused me quite a bit of problems to get right. Last thing I want you to pay attention to is that when Kanye actually uses this higher energy, this one huge chop for his chorus, he actually does not rap over it. So let me move here, and I've actually at the bottom have the acapella of Kanye laid on top of the sample. So even if you pay attention, where there's acapella underneath this red chop, basically Kanye is not rapping there at all. He's literally just talking. So let's, for example, play the chorus here.
I really apologize to everyone right now if it's unclear at all, man. They got my mouth wired shut for like, I don't know, doctor said like 6 weeks.
So the parts where Kanye actually raps is the verse where basically we use the lower energy parts of the sample.
Body order pancakes, I just sip the scissor. That right there could drive a sane man berserk.
So when you're sampling with intention to actually rap over your beat, this one thing is really important to actually keep in your mind, that when you're sampling songs with vocals, the vocals of the sample will crash with your own vocals. So you need to find a way where you can balance it out, just the way Kanye did here. But okay, let's move on to this small portion. And why did I say it was driving me crazy? That's basically because I sampled this version of Chaka Khan Through the Fire. So that version that you saw, that was basically the official video version. And now, why was it so problematic? So basically, if we go over to the sample, the part of the sample that we were looking for should start somewhere around here. So let's start listening to it. And so this exact part, if you ignore the vocals of Chaka Khan, if you listen to the instrumental, that is the exact part that Kanye sampled. And I was looking for this part without the vocals, but I could not find it anywhere. So I was going crazy for this part because I was trying to use AI stem separation to just get the instrumental, but it sounded pretty terrible. Actually, I can play it to you. This is this part right here. So it literally sounded like this. Right, so just awful like squeaky sounds. I don't know what's happening there. I also tried interpolating this part of the sample, but it just didn't sound right. And that's basically where by mistake I've actually stumbled onto this like Through the Fire slow jams version by Chaka Khan as well. That's this second version right here, this green one. And so in that version, if we actually zoom here, let me play it to you. So right here, there's just this one additional bar where Chaka Khan doesn't sing at all. So we basically have this. And so this part is the one that I've actually sampled, and it's the one that I've actually used in my remake. So if you actually want to make a remake of To the Fire yourself, make sure you sample the correct version. So it actually doesn't have to be the slow jumps version, that's just the one I used. But do not download the audio from the official video, just download the official audio from the released album of Chaka Khan. And there you should basically have all the correct chops to actually make your own remake. Okay, so just quickly, the way I processed the sample is I just added a little bit of Cymatic's origin to get rid of all of the high end, and then I added an EQ to create some space to add a bass later on, and again, just tamed the high end a little bit. And lastly, I just have a sidechain compressor for later on when the drums come in, so the entire sample tags a bit when their drums playing. And by the way, if you want to gain access to this Kanye West remake or many other Kanye West remakes, then just check out Sample Academy, it's first link in the description. And so, okay, taking all those lessons that we learned from Kanye, actually let's try to chop up our own sample. And so here for my sample, I found this song called Going in Circles, and I've actually wanted to kind of recreate the same thing Kanye did in Through the Wire. So I found two parts here, basically one with vocals and the second one without vocals. However, the instruments behind the vocals are pretty much exactly the same. So let's just listen to both of the chops. Pretty cool sample. And so now for processing, I actually processed it the same exact way we processed the sample on Kanye West Through the Wire. So I just added Cymatic's origin to cut off some of the high end, and EQ to get rid of the low end, and once again a sidechain compressor. I also warped my samples to the tempo and I slightly sped them up, and I've actually chopped them up in this way, where the first part is our verse and then the second part is our chorus. So in the chorus we have quite a bit more vocals, but for now let's just focus on the verse part of this. And the last thing I did with the sample is I actually pitched it up 4 semitones. So basically all of this together is going to sound like this. And so let's move on to part 2, which is let the sample do the work. So let's go back to the Kanye West Through the Wire remake and let's talk about what instruments Kanye actually added to the song. Now, spoiler alert, it's really not a lot. Literally the main thing is just the bass, and that's pretty much all he added. So remember when we had this EQ on the sample to cut out the bass from the sample? Basically right now we're just gonna be adding our own bass back into the sample, and we're just gonna be changing up the bounce a little bit with our own pattern. So basically I just grabbed this bass guitar and I just recreated what was going on in Kanye's song. So let me loop this part. So it's actually not that hard. Like we pretty much just have this looping over and over with some minor differences here and there. And obviously we have a little switch up at the end, but it's nothing crazy. And for the main part, we're literally just following the sample. So to be honest, that's like nothing special. So if we just take a listen to it. Right, so there is nothing crazy happening at all. And that's actually everything that Kanye added as instrumentation. So the real thing in this beat is that he just lets the sample do the main work for the entire beat. Now, if we go back to my beat, I pretty much do something similar to Kanye, but I've actually did just a little bit more when it comes to my instrumentation. So first of all, instead of using an upright bass, I actually used 2 bass sounds, which one is this Moog synth stacked on top of each other. And then I actually add quite a lot of processing just to tame all of those frequencies. So like EQs, analog clip, OTT, chorus, and way more EQs. So by itself, it literally sounds like this. However, the pattern here that I use is really simple because I literally just follow the sample and the bass that's in my sample. And another bass that I add to thicken all of this up is just this simple sine wave bass, which I literally just leave as it is. And I just combine those 2 basses with a little bit of compression. And that's basically just gonna give me like this really, really thick sound. for my chorus, I actually add one more instrument, which is just gonna add a little bit more thickness to the beat. So basically, I grab this like nylon guitar and I just run it through a guitar rig to just make it sound like an electric guitar. And I literally just use it for the second part of the chorus to make the beat feel like it's kind of progressing over time and getting thicker and thicker. And so part number 3 is the curse of the loop. So one thing that actually stood out to me the most when remaking the drums for the Through the Wire beat is the fact that they literally constantly change and the arrangement of them is like constantly different. And that's the most apparent in the intro. Like if we just move to the intro here, it's pretty much changing all the time. So if I just zoom in here and we just start looking one by one. So for example, we start with the kicks and the bongos, then we add in our snares and the hi-hats. Then we remove the snare for a little bit and the bongos, but we use a clap. Then we go back into using our snares and then we remove snares, we remove claps, we remove the hi-hats. And literally for the last bar, we just go back to hi-hats and we have this one lonely snare playing here. So the drums are just constantly evolving from bar to bar. And so even these small changes like make the drums feel alive and they make the beat sound fresh and not repetitive.
I spit it through the wire, man.
And so yeah, that would be pretty much the entire Through the Wire remake. So if we just go back to my loop, I'm literally just gonna start off with a simple drum loop plus some bongos, because obviously if it's a Kanye West song, you need to have bongos. So the loop by itself of the drums is just gonna sound like that. And now I'm literally just gonna start grabbing it and cutting it out in certain parts and arranging it out. So basically, yeah, that's pretty much the entire beat. So if you want to learn sampling, then check out Sample Academy. It's first link in the description and it's literally the best place for you to learn sampling. I've actually just recently released my course for samples course, but there's way more than that there. So check it out. It's first link in the description. But if we just grab all of this and arrange it all out, here's how it's going to sound. Oh, and lastly, just to let you know, I also added this Jay-Z and Kanye West Otis a cappella because I just like the way it sounds with the beat. So yeah, here is the full beat.
Sounds so soulful, don't you agree? Arm out the window through the city, I maneuver slow. Cock back, snap back, see my cut through the hole. Damn, easy and ho, where the hell you been? Niggas talking real reckless, stunt man. I adopted these niggas, Philip drumming them. Now I'm about to make them tuck their whole summer in. They say I'm crazy while I'm about to go dumb again. They ain't seen me cause I pulled up in my other Benz. Last week I was in my other Benz. Throw your diamonds up, cause we in this bitch another again. Photo shoot fresh, looking like wealth. I'm about to call a paparazzi on myself. Live from the Mercer, run up on Yeezy the wrong way, I might murk you. Flee in the G450, I might surface. Political refugee asylum can be purchased. Damn, Easy and Ho, where the hell you been? Niggas talking real reckless, stunt man. I adopted these niggas, Philip drumming them. Now I'm about to make them tuck their whole summer in. Everything's for sale, got 5 passports, I'm never going to jail. I made Jesus rocks, I'm never going to hell. Couture level flow is never going on sale. Luxury rap, the Hermes of verses. Sophisticated ignorance, write my curses in cursive. I get it custom, you a customer. You ain't custom to going through customs, you ain't been nowhere, huh? And all the ladies in the house got them showing out. I'm done, I hit you up, man, yeah. Nah. Welcome to Havana, smoking Cubanos with Castro with the band.